Is your Android phone screaming for more space, and you suspect your SD card is the key to unlocking it? Let's dive in. First, locate and tap on the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon, often found on your home screen or within your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find an option related to storage or battery and device care. The exact wording might differ slightly depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer, but look for something like storage, device maintenance, or battery and device care. Tap on that option to access your storage management screen. Here, you'll typically see an overview of your internal storage and, if you have one inserted, your SD card. You should now see a clear breakdown of your SD card storage. This will show you the total space available on the card, how much of that space is currently being used, and how much is still free. This information is crucial for managing your files. If your SD card is nearly full, it can slow down your phone and even lead to data loss. Knowing your free space allows you to proactively move or delete files to optimize performance. For efficient management, consider moving large files like photos, videos, or downloaded app data to your SD card. You can usually do this through your phone's file manager app. Regularly check your SD card storage to avoid any unpleasant surprises. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to check your SD card storage on Android, ensuring your device runs smoothly and your important files are well managed.